This is one of the secret way I've been using to make money on Adsterra and that of Monetag. I'll go ahead and say this is the premium version or the premium secret I've been using to make money on Monetag and Adsterra. I've just take time to make this particular video in order for even a beginner to know how to make money on either Adsterra or Monetag. So I'll share with you everything you have to know in this particular video. What you need to do is to just watch the video from the beginning to an end in order for you to get a better understanding, just because it's going to entails a lot for you to make money with this particular strategy or trick I'm about to show you. Right now, first you need to do is just go to this particular channel, which is Mr. Henry. This is the official channel you're currently watching the video on. Go ahead and subscribe it, like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. All what I do is to make money with you guys, and that's all. I don't make anything else again. Now this video is basically going to help you. Now let's dive into the video and show you how to do everything all by yourself. Now the first thing we are actually going to do, we are going to need our blogger.com. All right, you're going to need our blogger.com, which is going to be our first thing that we actually going to use right now. Right, so go ahead and use the first link out here and just open your blogger.com, just as you can see on the screen. If you don't have it, just go ahead and sign up an account. Of course, signing up an account, it's very easy for you to do that. So go ahead and sign up an account. Let's move ahead. Now come to this aspect here at the top here, click on this icon, scroll down here, click on new blog. All right, now I'm going to try different thing. Now just go ahead and name your blog just as the name I am actually putting it on this particular blog. All right, so let's say I'm naming it Netflix, Netflix Premium. All right, Netflix Premium. All right, go ahead and name it that same name. Click on enter. All right, so Netflix Premium free. All right, so let's add free to it, or let's come and add the free Netflix Premium here. Free Netflix Premium. Let me add one or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So Netflix Premium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's working. So let's click on save. Now, once you click on save, you're actually going to have a new blog setup, which we've already created it for whatever you're actually going to use it for. Now, this is where the video actually starts for you to know your strategy you actually want to use, right? So scroll down here, all right, and just let's view this particular blog and show you. So there's nothing here, right? You have our Netflix Premium, nothing here. Go ahead and take it off. Come to this aspect which says layer or layouts, right? Just for you to know how your work looks like. Now come to where it says theme. Now once we come to theme, here we are going to choose a particular template. Now scroll down to this section where it says simple, right? Click on this template. We're actually going to use this template, so click on apply, click on got it, and just come here to the top here. Now once you scroll up to the top, you have this simple board um interface or simple board theme, which of course you're actually going to use for this particular video. Now come to where it says this button, click on the mobile settings and make sure to take it out from mobile to desktop. All right, so click on desktop, click on save button, then you are good to go. Now once you are done, just click on this same button again and then move to where it says switch to first generation classic theme. Now go ahead and click on switch without a backup, and then we are good to go again. Come to that same aspect and now click on change navy bar, scroll down to click on off, just save it again. All right, now click on where it says edit html. Now this is the whole thing for what we actually take, that's the theme. So the theme, this is the whole html for the theme. Now what you're actually gonna do is we are going to take off this particular theme out from here, or this particular html out from here, and then continue with the rest. So what you're gonna do is just go ahead and highlight it and just delete it. All right, highlight it and delete it. Now once you delete it, we don't have anything here. I'm going to share with you a code, or I'm going to share with you an HTML code Of course, you're going to use this code to do everything. You're going to use this code to do everything, right? Now, I'll have the code here. All right, so this is the code here. Go ahead and copy it, and I'll go ahead and copy it. Come back to the rec. Just paste it in here, right? Now I have my code here. Now, in order for you to get this code, please check under the description of this particular video. The link to this particular Telegram account can be found here. Currently we have about 23 subscribers. The link can be found here. So this is my Telegram account. I'll just leave everything here so that you can go ahead and copy it for yourself. Now, if you don't want to join Telegram, I have a link to my WhatsApp, so you can check under the description. The link to my WhatsApp group too is there. You can join me out there so you can get this particular link. Now, once you are done, click on save button to get it saved before, right? Now, go ahead and let's go ahead and try this particular link and see how it does look like, right? So come back here and just click on view blog. Now, once you click on view blog, this is what we actually having on the screen. This is so amazing. All right, I'll just go ahead and blur it for security reasons, right, or for YouTube guidelines reasons, right? So you have this right here. Now, as I open, you can see if open Netflix account or premium Netflix account right here on the screen. Now, when a user go ahead and enter his or an email, let's say I want to put in this email and click on get subscribe, it's actually going to redirect them to my YouTube account just because I have inserted in my YouTube account for now, and then we can go ahead and edit it and show you guys how you can insert in your links. Now come back to where it says edit HTML and just come to this session and just so once you paste in the code here, what you need to do is just give a click on it and just enter, or just press on Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and make sure to enter in YouTube. All right, or you can either enter in Mr. Henry. So click on YouTube. Now you're going to find YouTube here. All right, now what you're actually gonna do is where we are going to insert in our Monetag or Adsterra link so that you can go ahead and just get a revenue out from it. Now go ahead and visit your Adsterra. So in case, in this particular case, I want to use Adsterra for this particular video, all right? But for your case, you can either use your money tag, you can either use your money tag to do this. But in this particular side, I'll actually use money tag Adsterra only for this particular trick, all right? So what you need to do is just come to the template wherever you can see YouTube, go ahead and then edit the whole place. So go ahead and edit the whole place. What you need to highlight it and just paste in your link. All right. So wherever you see your channel, and once you're done, click on the save button here, and then automatically it will be updated for you, which means your link of Adsterra has been embedded into our work. Now get back and let's go ahead and review it again. Now click on view blog and make sure to input in any random email, get subscribed, then still have my YouTube here, which means that it was not, all of it was not taken. All right, so you have to get back to the work and just make sure you've taken everything successfully out from it. Right, so make sure you do that. Still Control plus F YouTube. Right, so make sure you enter YouTube and let's see if we can get to see where YouTube is. All right, so you can see YouTube is here. All right, so copy, make sure you do that. All right, make sure you do that. So do I still have YouTube again in this? Let me go ahead and search it again. So YouTube, and all right. So I don't think I have YouTube in this particular work anymore. That means I'm good to go. So make sure to save it again and just get back to your work and then view your blog again. Now, once you have your Adsterra link embedded in, go ahead and save it, and then you are good to go, right? So once you save it, you can come back and view it back to your wasting much of our time. We've already know that it's actually going to work. So it's either you enter in your Adsterra or your money tag, both of them is actually going to work for you. Now let's go to where it says view blog, and then you are actually going to see this. So it will just say blog spots. People will actually doubt if it is real or not. So what you're actually gonna do is just go ahead and then make sure you copy it. All right. So make sure you copy it. All right, and then come to any link shortener. All right. So click on link shortener. Link shortener. Make sure you find any correct link shortener that you know out there. So let's say I would like to use this first one here on the screen. Make sure to input in our link here. Click on shorten link so that it can give us something very cool, something very simple. All right. So I think we have this as our link shortener right here. You copy it. All right. Now, once you copy it, get to Chat GPT or DeepSeek or any AI you know you can trust. Now, we are actually going to promote our work. All right. We are actually going to promote it. I can get a lot of people to click on it. And then we actually run our automation by default. All right. We are going to run our own automation by default by just doing this simple strategy. Now, I'm actually going to share with you this prompt as well. Very easy prompt for you to follow. So I want to say, I want to promote this landing page of mine on social media. Please make a powerful post with a call to action with this link. So where is the link? The link is what you'll be shorting it out here. So copy the link, get back to your prompt. I'd like to insert in the link here. All right. So with the link. So I have the link here, and then also tell me about Netflix Premium 1 year free account subscribe. That of that. So you copy the whole of this. All right. You copy the whole of this prompt. I also share this in my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. All right. Although it's not all that complicated, but people might be asking. So I'll go to my DeepSeek, give it this prompt here, and just call for action or just give it a click and get to know what DeepSeek is actually going to write for me. So here, of course, that of that. So it has given me some options here, which is very cool for me. Now, this is what DeepSeek is actually trying to write it for me. Now, this video is actually getting much longer. So what you need to do is just go to your new browser or a new tab and just type in this particular AI here on the screen, right? So this is the AI. This is the name of the AI. All right. For some security reasons, I might not mention the name. So just go ahead and enter this AI. Now, once you enter this AI, wait for a while because DeepSeek is actually done. Right. So DeepSeek is not really done, but we have something very cool here. So use an eye catching that call to action. All right. So what you're actually gonna tell DeepSeek is to give us a prompt give us a prompt on this same topic for picture for picture, all right, for picture generation, all right, for picture generation. That means you want a prompt for picture generation. You want to give something or you want to create some nice pictures. So you want a prompt which will actually give us a very nice display. All right. So here are some of the prompt which has been given. All right. So what you actually gonna do is just copy one of these prompts. I would like to copy this particular prompt. Get back to this particular AI on the screen here. Click on get started. And it's actually gonna take you through where you have to input in your Google account or your Gmail. Now count where it says image. All right. Let me go back a while. Come to where it says image at this aspect. Click on it. So the interface is actually going to run for you to go through. All right. So whilst we are actually waiting, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Like it, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to share. Now paste in your prompt at this session. Right click on generate. So we are actually waiting for the generation. So you can see it is actually generating. All right. Now, one thing you need to take note is your size. All right, so I was not able to choose the size. So make sure you choose a very nice size of yours. So let's say I want to go in for this particular size, and then I'm not okay with this particular prompt because it's not all that catchy. So I want to go in for this particular one right here. I'll copy it, come back to my AI. I'll come back to my AI and just give it a different prompt. Um, give it a different prompt. Seems like I'm not okay with this particular prompt. So I'll give it a different prompt from the same AI or the same DeepSeek. So I'm going to receive some pictures here. Make sure you select your image dimension, all right, and the number of pictures you want. So I think this is kind of pretty cool, more than the previous one, all right. You can go ahead and download any of these images to your gallery so you can see it has been downloaded up here. Right now, once you have them like this, then you're good to go. Now, where are you going to promote it? This time you can try a lot of social media platforms. You can try TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. But here is one secret I'll also show you. All right. So just as I said before, I show you guys, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. Like it, join the Telegram and the WhatsApp channel. Of course, I used to release a lot of updates there. So join me and let's keep on moving. So go to this particular website, which is called Mastodon. All right, Mastodon. Now click on it. It's have a similar page just like Facebook. All right, so come to where it says trending. You just look at something right here. Right now, I'm going to where it says extension, similar web, and similar web is actually going to calculate everything for her. Now, according to similar web, every month about 2.1 million people visit this particular platform. Every single month, 2.1 million people visit this particular platform. It has an interface just like Facebook and everything nowadays. So you can chat, you can talk with people. So this particular website is full of foreign traffics, or a lot of foreigners are engaged to this particular platform. Not just like a simple platform that we've gotten out there. Now here we have our DeepSeek. Now what you're actually gonna do is come to here. It says this, your headline, that of that, your links, call to action. So maybe I'll go in for the second one, which says stop scrolling, that of that. All right, so I'll copy the whole of this. All right, and just go ahead and copy it. I'll come back to your platform, Mastodon or whatever. All right, so you can see just as Facebook, it has a lot of nice features. You can come to your live feed, just get to know what people are writing, talking about. This is a full of actually a foreign traffic. All right, so if you want more foreign traffic, you need to start engaging yourself on this particular platform. You need to be creating accounts, you need to be posting a lot, just like we've been doing on the Facebook to engage people on TikTok and other stuff. All right, that's the same mindset right here. Now what you need to do is just come to this aspect here, make sure to paste in what you copied earlier. So it says stop scrolling, that of that. Now mind you that we already have our link here. All right, it has been shortened for some reasons in order for them to detect as one. Also, it doesn't give a full background or a full it doesn't actually talk about what you want to promote. It's talk about different things. So come to this image here, which is the picture image. Select the pictures that we selected earlier. Now you have something right here like this. Right now, what you need to do is just click on post button, click on post anyway, and then your feed has been posted. It says open. Now let's go to open and see. Right, so this is my account I've been using. So it says stop scrolling. How does a full year of Netflix premium sound? No ad, 4K, that of that. This isn't a drill, that of that. Now mind you, you already have our link here. So once you click on it, it's going to redirect us straight to what we created earlier. So make sure to have a good link shortener to link shorten your work. Also make sure to have the correct HTML. As I've already said, get into my Telegram or WhatsApp channel. I have a full package out there. Get it and start working on it as yours. So start engaging on Mastodon, and then you're actually going to get a good benefit out from it within some few possible months. So this is a cool strategy I've been using to make money on the internet. This is a free tutorial. This is a premium thing people have been selling for a while, but I'm actually sharing this for free with you. So just go ahead, subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, join the Telegram and the WhatsApp channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.